Today we're checking out the Huawei Matebook 14 and more. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video features the Huawei Matebook 14. This isn't a review yet, but we're looking at the best features of this Matebook. We're also taking a quick look at the Huawei Matebook D15, and we're also checking out Huawei Super Device, Huawei Smart Office, what that's all about. But before we begin, a quick shout out to Huawei for collaborating with me on this video. All details on the stuff I'm checking out, the Huawei Matebook 14, the Huawei Matebook D15, all of those details will be in the description box below. Right, let's go. Huawei Matebook series. So just some quick specs. We have the space gray version, 16GB, 512GB SSD, Intel Core i5 with Windows 11. First up, we have a power brick, charging cord, which is a USB-C to C, paperwork. Oh, that's not bad, and I feel like this is gonna be a sleek laptop. Yeah, that is slim and sleek, not bad. Exciting parts of this laptop. The Huawei Matebook 14 has a 2K full view display with slim bezels. But most uniquely, it features a 3.2 aspect ratio, meaning it has a taller screen than most other laptops. And for some reason, that just really makes it feel like this is a much bigger screen. This is designed for optimal use. Like, most Word apps are lengthwise, and this helps. Plus, I found that it was pretty enjoyable working on a screen this wide, especially if you're a multitasker with many different windows open at a given time, like me. And you're probably thinking, how does this affect watching movies? Well, it doesn't. This is what watching stuff looks and sounds like on the Matebook 14. For those who never seem to get off their laptops, this has a built-in eye care mode with 2 Vryland low blue light certification. In terms of power, this thing runs on an Intel Core i7 processor, the choice between 16GB RAM or 8GB RAM, Windows 10, and 512GB of storage. In a nutshell, this thing can handle your normal work from home stuff, word processing, calls, research, emails, Facebook stalking, and all of those together all at once in a multitasking medley. This laptop can also probably do casual editing, nothing too intensive. Now moving on to more of the Huawei stuff on this Huawei device, let's talk about Huawei Super Device, which isn't one specific device, but like all of the Huawei devices working together seamlessly. You need all your Huawei devices here. I also have the Huawei MatePad. So first off, you can find all your Huawei devices here. It's really quick and convenient. When you see your device, just drag and then you'll be connected. Literally, you can do so many things from here. You can drag and drop files, or even better, you can edit stuff on the Mate XS2 on the Matebook. You can also even receive calls on here. Such a great workflow thing, it eliminates the need to go from one device to another when you're already in the zone working. As someone who shoots a lot of stuff on my phone, I also love how it's so easy to just get files from my phone and transfer them to the computer. Working with it with a Huawei tablet is also pretty fun, so I'm connecting the Huawei MatePad this time around, and you can mirror your screen just like you see here. You get exactly what you see on your laptop. You can also try extending your screen using the MatePad as a second screen. And you can also access files on the MatePad straight from your Matebook. These are just a few examples, but you get the idea. There are so many possibilities, so you can just imagine how these seamless connections can help you get your work done. As is obvious in the name, the Huawei Matebook 14 sports a 14-inch screen in a sleek body. Sleek. Something you can bring around easily if you wanna, say, spend a workday out at a coffee shop. On the right, that's 2 USB-A ports. On the left, HDMI, audio jack, and the charging port, which is a USB-C. There's a fingerprint ID scanner here, and this is most interesting, camera is hidden down here. Despite being sleek, Huawei claims 11 hours of battery time, and there are shark fin dual fans and dual heat pipes for better heat dissipation. This thing has Wi-Fi 6 and comes with a standard 65-watt charger. Now, if you're the type who'd want a bigger screen, the Huawei Matebook D15 might be something you'd want to look at. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB or 16GB RAM, or the option between 256GB or 512GB storage. This laptop can also do the Huawei Super Device things because Huawei Super Devices. It's pretty sleek. It features a fingerprint scanner here, a recessed camera, Wi-Fi 6, and a 65-watt charger. And just a quick plus, there are eye comfort modes on this for more comfortable use. That was a quick look at the Huawei Matebooks and their top features. In my short time with the Huawei Matebook 14, I am really loving the screen situation. It's been very useful for script writing, research work, and the jumble of my life that's multitasking anytime, anywhere on a screen. Obviously, these Matebooks are very promising, and we're at the point where Huawei is building a name, not just for good phones. And special shout out, Huawei Super Device features are always so convenient. Huawei's dedication, device after device, to the seamless working experience is definitely showing. Anyway, that's it for today. Let me know if you guys have questions, comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!